All right, we are going to start off with the thoracic region and get the organs in the thoracic region. All right, here's the cat over here. We have the larynx. We're not going to worry about the cricoid or thyroid cartilage on it. The trachea. Underneath the trachea is the esophagus. The thyroid. We have our lungs. We have our anterior lobe, our middle lobe, our posterior lobe on the left and right side. Cats, unlike humans, have a fourth lobe. We call this the mediastinal lobe. There's the heart, the diaphragm, liver. We have our left lateral lobe, left medial lobe, right medial lobe, and on the far side here is the right lateral lobe. We have the stomach, and the stomach is broken down into the fundus, the body, and the pylorus regions. Underneath, we have the gallbladder, bile duct. The bile duct empties down into the first part of the small intestine, which is called the duodenum. All of this is the small intestine. Normally, there's this little apron going across it. This apron is called the greater omentum. We have the spleen. Right here's the spleen, this dark organ. This kind of glandular looking material right through here is the pancreas. You get it? Again, we have the small intestine. Where the small intestine and the large intestine meet is called the cecum. We have the ascending colon, transverse colon, the descending colon, which leads down to the sigmoid colon and then to the anus. Here's the bladder. We have the kidneys. Kidneys make urine. They have a tube that drains them. This is the ureter. The ureter goes down to the bladder. The bladder empties out of the urethra. This is a female cat. This is the ovary. This is the fallopian tube. And right below the bladder is the uterus. That is all of the internal organs. I have the abdomen also.